today, as we're back from Florida, our honeymoon, we thought that we would try one of our wedding presents out, which just happens to be a lovely Panasonic bread maker.
Thanks to Mickey.
Mickey Mouse brought it for us.
Me and the husband.
We chose to specifically put this on our wedding list because it's got a gluten-free setting for bread. So hopefully it's going to come out really good. But it's the first time we're trying it, so we thought that we would share it with you.
Hi! Oh, just a little bit nervous about using this one.
This is the Panasonic machine that we've got. Please excuse the rubbish in the background.
Yeah, it's a very small kitchen. Very small kitchen, but we're going to try to do our best to...
So if it helps, it's that's the code for it, Panasonic SDZBZ5, or 2512, sorry. But yeah, hopefully it's going to turn out quite well. In with it comes a lovely recipe book, well, a book, construction manual with recipes and a special gluten-free section. We have lots of different recipes. It even tells you how to do bread mixes, which is really good, but we can't actually find any in the shops.
No, not where we live.
So yeah, that's going to be interesting. So we are trying to make the white bread flour bread mix.
We've bought the Dove Farm white bread flour to try and do this mix.
Freshly brought today.
Yeah.
White bread flour mix.
Again, excuse the mess.
Right. And we'll follow along with it as we do it.
So, in with the actual kit, you get these lovely measuring jugs. We've actually just measured out just normal tap water. They asked for 320 millilitres of water for the white plain flour. So, all you do is measure it out. You've got it quite clearly written on there. Don't know if you can see that on the camera.
Not easily.
No, not easily. But then all you do, I think you just tip it into here, don't you?
One thing you have to note is that in the book it does state to put your wet ingredients in first.
Yeah.
Because apparently if you do it differently, it will come out wrong.
Yeah.
But with an ordinary bread, you're supposed to put the dry ingredients in first. And I'll show you where that says it in the book. We were just lucky we just spotted it. Yeah, so it says to put in water, salt, fat. But our recipe doesn't have any fat apart from the oil. And then the gluten-free bread mix. But I'm guessing it's the same for the others, but we'll have to see. So this is just an experimenting phase, and hopefully it tastes out nice.
Just put it in there?
Yeah, put it in. So we decided to just do it in the order it states in here. So it says water first, then we're going to put the cider vinegar in, and so on and so on.
Ooh. That's it.
Always get your husband to open bottles for you.
Our next ingredient, oh my god, that's strong, is cider vinegar. That'll do an interesting punch.
And we got that from Sainsbury's.
Yeah, all you need is 1 teaspoon, as they call it. Which be interesting. Or a little bit more. I'll use it all because I did drop a bit. That'd be fine. Alright. So next you need 4 tablespoons of, we're going to say oil.
Yeah.
It's the easiest way.
In the recipe it says vegetable oil, but we've only got sunflower oil, which we made the mistake of, but oh well.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, so the next ingredient, it asks for 1 medium egg, and then just the egg yolk, egg white, sorry. So I've had to separate them into a bowl, into a nice cup. So all I've got is 1 egg yolk and a lot of egg white. Which we're not sure why they asked for egg white, but
Might have considered the raising agent.
it could just be there, yeah. They're all in the little pot.
I'm going to show you what it looks like so far.
It's the water mess.
1
egg in there, it's like, nice. Right, what's next, darling?
Right, I've just measured out 450 grams of Dove's flour, white bread flour. And I like to use an electronic one so you can get exactly precise measurements. And so I'm guessing we just pour this in.
I assume so. I mean, following what we can do with the instructions. There's not particularly clear instructions, so it will be very interesting. Big cloud of flour, it's always good. Ah, it's not the bread I ordered.
1 tablespoon of sugar. It seems like an awful lot of sugar.
I don't know, I've had... That's pretty good. And we add this to the mix. Ooh.
Even though it's a bit sticky.
Yeah, between each thing you might want to wash out your little measuring spoon. It does get quite clogged up because you've had oil, vinegar, then you've got sugar and salt. It ain't good.
Right, for this machine, it says you need to put the yeast in a different place. This is at the beginning of the book. It doesn't seem any different with gluten-free. It doesn't mention it in the recipe book. So I'm guessing it's okay, but I'm just measuring out the yeast now.
It asks for 2 teaspoons. So we're measuring that out. It's a special yeast dispenser on top of our machine. We should also point out that on this machine it also has a separate dispenser for raisins and nuts, so you can add your chocolate drops in there, I suppose. And when it's necessary for it to be in the baking section, it will automatically just drop it into your mix automatically. So that's pretty cool.
I want to put all that yeast in.
So that's all done, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I measured it out. Sorry, I measured it out. And I've got like a packet that says 7 grams, but that seems a little bit too much. I did put a little bit extra in because I thought it would be the whole packet, but it's not. So just be careful about that. I mean, if it rises too much, it'd be my fault for putting too much yeast in.
Well, it'd be very interesting if it did.
It'd be good though.
Have more bread.
So we just have to try it out for now.
Yeah,
It's slightly less than one of these packets, according to the measurements.
So, 7 grams, slightly less than 7 grams. So now we've put our ingredients in, we are just plugging in the machine. It's best to, for safety, put the ingredients in before plugging it in, and then we'll see what happens.
Right, we've got to change the menu.
Yeah, this is the control panel. So you've got the menu button, the size wise what you're after, a timer. We can't use a timer for gluten-free bread, but I suppose there is a setting for that in the menu for the gluten-free anyway. It says crust. Now that is to see if you want it dark, medium or light. For gluten-free bread you can only have it medium or dark. And then you've just got your stop-start buttons as standard. If anything, I'll probably go for medium.
Yeah, I think medium. I say in the instruction book that you have the list of the menu.
It does say on there the menu options, so we have to go down all the way down to number 14 for gluten free and follow that line just here for you all along. It tells you how long it'll take, depending on what you've got in there. Okay, so see a bit. Right, so we've just pressed it on menu, so it is now at number 14. What's the next one bit? You don't use timer.
No, so then it's got crust.
It's crust. It's already medium.
Yes, but I'm going to move it just to... Yeah, you can tell that if you want dark, it's an extra 5 minutes. Medium is 1 hour 50.
But obviously it won't go to that setting automatically because it's on gluten free. And then all you do after that is the red light's flashing, you press start. And we can hear it ticking away inside, making our lovely dough. So we'll check back once it's pinged, I suppose. Bye.
Hey there, it's been an hour and 50 minutes. The machine has beeped to tell us that it's done. It smells lovely.
It says on end, so hopefully.
Right, so we're going to try pressing a few things.
Stop, yeah, you'll be fine.
Yep, end doesn't stop flashing.
That's good.
So I'm going to unplug it.
If you can. And then we're going to open the top.
And get some gloves first and get the board out ready.
Well, you can open it up, that's not a problem. See if it's risen. From the bottom mark, that's it. And
oh my god.
we have, quite a nice loaf actually. Oh.
It looks really good. I can't wait to try it.
This will be interesting. So we're going to get it out because it's going to be quite tricky to get out, I think. And we shall see you with the end product.
Hey, we have now got it out of the tin, and this is the final product.
Here we go. Oh, sunlight's in it, but you can still see it. Not a bad rise. Nice and crusty. And the pan was quite clean actually. So yeah, it was very good. But the proof is in there. Eating.
And we checked to see if it took the yeast, and it did.
Yeah, that was an interesting one. It got a yeast dispenser, which I never had on a brick maker before, so yeah, it was interesting.
I think we've done it right by putting the yeast in the dispenser and putting the wet ingredients in first, like it says.
Yeah.
But I would say proof is in the eating, so we'll let you know.
Okay, so the finished article. Hi, so here we are again. We've just cut the first slice of the lovely bread. Looks really good. Quite a lot of aeration in the holes, so yeah. I think Kay's going to eat it. It's a little saturated cut. Just to try it.
Right, I'm now going to try it. It's the first taste of it. Right, let's see. It's actually really nice.
It sounds really crunchy for the crust as well. But is it really soft in the centre?
Yeah, it's really soft. It's really nice. I mean, it's not a very big loaf.
No, but it'll do for sandwiches, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice. I can really see a sandwich and like really nice fresh taste to it. The crust is really nice and crunchy, but it's not hard or anything. It's really soft.
Yeah.
Really nice.
I mean, obviously when you pick it up it is heavy, but I think that's just the way the gluten-free dough is really. You like it? Good choice?
Very nice.
Good. And another time we can do different bread. Got a brown one to try as well, haven't we? Which will be different ingredients. So
I did take most of the packet of flour up, so you probably need to get a lot of, if you're going to make it a lot, get a lot of white flour in. Right.
But this was using the Dove flour, as we said. So it was good. So we'll leave Kelly to enjoy her lovely bakery. And we will catch you again another time.